Hi there, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to draw rectangle in AutoCAD using pyautocad library. So I opened Visual Studio Code and I'm going to create a Python file and I'm going to save it inside documents. I'm going to name it rectangle by AutoCAD.py. Alright, I've saved the file. Now write the code. So we are actually going to draw a rectangle in AutoCAD. So in Python we have to import the pyautocad library. I have enabled the GitHub Copilot so that the code, as you can see, the code is suggesting the entire line. If you want, you can accept it by pressing tab, or you can type the entire code. So in this video I'll be using GitHub Copilot. It's free now. You can also use it. There's a free version. So anyway, first import the pyautocad library. Now for anything you want, for using the pyautocad, you have to instantiate the AutoCAD instance. So this is how you do it. You make a variable named ACAD and use AutoCAD. And before that you have to import AutoCAD and a point from pyautocad package. Import AutoCAD and a point. Now you can import it, AutoCAD. Alright, now this argument is for, as I already told you, this is for the AutoCAD. If it's not opened, you have to open AutoCAD from the beginning. Now that's it. Now next you will have to, for a rectangle, there's going to be 4 points, 4 corners, so 4 vertices. So you have to name it A1 and A2, A3 and A4. Okay, that's correct. So you got 4 corner points, and I believe these coordinates are correct. So anyway, we are not going into that. We'll check by drawing. Next you want to draw AutoCAD.model.add line A1 to A2. Next is A2 to A3. That's correct. Now A3 to A4, now A4 to A1. That was correct. Alright, that's it. Now try run the code. So I believe we have completed the code. Now run the code. Now it's taking time. Okay, now finished. Go to AutoCAD and let's see if anything happened here. Now go zooming in. So what happened is this is not a rectangle, actually it's a triangle. So I think we are wrong with the coordinates. So let's check again. Go to the points. There are only 3 points, so we have to have a third point. This is the problem. The third point coordinate is 0 0. That's not what we want. So we are starting from the origin 0 0, and the second point is going to be the x coordinate is going to be 0 and maybe 50. Now the third point, both are 50 50. Now the fourth point we want x is going to be 50 and y 0. I think this is correct. Now try run that again. Go to AutoCAD. Now you can see there's a rectangle drawn. It's a square. It's not a rectangle, but a square I believe is a rectangle. So we got our square, rectangle. So that's it for today's video, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.